Hi all, so I decided that I needed a toolbox for my work in the garage because I was tired of my tools being all scattered around places and I wanted one simple spot to put them in. So I picked up this from Harbor Freight. I got the purple because it's new and it's cool, and now I'm going to build it out. So this is a series of me building out this toolbox, showing you what I do, and let me show you what I've started off doing now. The first thing I added to my box was a Husky light, and it actually can tilt and stuff. It's also magnetic. And it usually technically can go underneath a car hood and then you can use it to see. I figured it might help in here as well. And now I'm using a system called Gridfinity. And Gridfinity, you print out 3D printed sheets of plastic that are in a grid pattern, and you build out boxes that will sit in them, and then they don't move around. So this is kind of what I built out here. And each drawer has them. But here's one of the pieces. So here's a couple pieces built together, but I print them in slots on the printer, and then when they're together, they just clip together. So each of the boxes here, they all have the grids in them. And next step is to build out the containers that go in here. And there's a bunch of them online that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna take one of my Husky or mechanic tool sets that's in a little container that breaks apart and I don't like it, to put it in here instead. They're kind of messed up in the garage somewhere right now. We're redoing the garage in the process of us redoing toolboxes at the same time. So we're working on this now. And underneath as well, it's got storage as well. So I'm gonna start putting some of my detailing tools down here probably, or other stuff as well. This is part one of my box build out. I printed out the grids, and next step will be to fill them. So stay tuned for the next episode on how I start organizing this box out.